Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen.
Welcome back to Mishy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making some sticky, delicious ribs. But before we get into anything, we have to follow our 3 rules, which is washing our hands, wearing an apron to protect ourselves from messes, and always asking an adult to help when we're using the stove, knives, or the oven. So let's go wash our hands. Okay, so now let's wear our apron. Okay, so now that we put on our apron, let me tell you all the ingredients we'll be using to make our ribs. So we're going to use red wine vinegar. We're going to use dark brown soft sugar, sweet chili, paprika, ketchup, and soy sauce. Now all of the measurements will be down in the description below. So let's start. So we're going to start by getting the mixture for the marination ready. So we're just going to mix all of these together. So first, let's start with our sugar, and we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of our sugar. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. So now after that, we can add our ketchup. So we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of that too. And don't worry, all of this will end up tasting amazing. Now let's just quickly mix that together. Okay, so the next thing we can add is our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, so now we can add 2 teaspoons of paprika. Okay, let's mix. Next we can add our 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And now let's add our sweet chili. Okay, now let's mix all of our ingredients in. Okay, so let's clear our workspace and now we'll come back. Okay, so now that our mixture is done, we can now marinate our ribs. So I've got here ribs, but you can use these measurements for say 12, 10 ribs. So let's start marinating. If you don't feel comfortable using your hands, you can use gloves. So I'm going to use a glove. So let's do this. We left some in the bowl so that we can, in the end, we can use it to graze our ribs. So let's start mixing. Okay, so I think we've marinated it enough now. So you can see how it's looking. So now we're just going to wrap it with cling film and put it in the fridge overnight. But if you're doing this through the daytime, you could take at least 2 hours or 3 hours or less. So let's go put this and put some cling film on it. So welcome back. Today, last night I put this in the refrigerator. So you could leave it for 2 hours or more if you were doing it through the daytime. So right now we're just going to section it into our pan, our baking tray, and then we're going to put it in the oven. So let's start. So I'm going to do it horizontally because I want to have 2 rows. Okay, so now that we've finished putting our ribs onto my tray, we're still going to use this when we put our ribs in the oven. Halfway through, we're going to coat it with our marinating sauce. So please don't throw this away yet. So we're going to wrap it with foil and put it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now that we've wrapped it with foil, this is where we follow one of our 3 rules and we ask an adult for help when we put stuff in the oven. So please go ask an adult for help. See you later. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and we have, after 30 minutes, we take it out and then we use our left of our ingredient of the marination sauce and we coat our ribs. So now after we do that, we can put it in again. So now that we've taken our ribs out of the oven, this is how they look. And they look so juicy and I can't wait to eat them. So you can eat your ribs with rice, noodles, pasta, whatever you want to. So my friends are here, so they're going to taste the ribs and give us reviews about them. So have a taste and let's see if you like it.
Testing time.
How does it taste?
This is an interesting taste. I like it. It's amazing.
Good?
From 1 to 10.
9.
9.
I'm not tried the ribs yet, but the rice. A 10.
9.
Go on, try the ribs. 9.
Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.